This is a Kravet. It's a smart fabric. It has 16% polyester in it, but the rest of it is either natural or a semi-synthetic. It has rayon, linen, and cotton. And we're going to put a little wine over here. You can already see on the left side where it wasn't treated. It is becoming a permanent stain. It's setting right in. We're going to try some Gatorade, and the Gatorade is setting right in also. You can see it's starting to absorb in, and the other side is beading. And we're going to just blot these spots up. Now remember, this still has 51% rayon, which is a semi-synthetic. It's very hard to clean this. You can, and also the linen, the natural, and the cotton is also natural in this, and it's important to protect it. And you can see with the protection, it just, blots right up, and you got your sofa back. The other side, you're going to have some permanent staining. So please remember, New Dimension fabric protection. Thank you.